Hello students, welcome to Aspire Coaching Center. Glad to meet you after a long gap. Today we are going to see an important topic in chemistry and it's called redox reactions. Most of the students have confusions in this topic, so I am going to make you clear with this concept in the simplest form. So we'll see first the difference between oxidation and reduction. So redox reaction is actually a combination of reduction and oxidation reactions together. Now what is oxidation? In its simplest form, oxidation can be defined as addition of oxygen, whereas reduction is defined as removal of oxygen. Okay. So for example, I have a compound magnesium which reacts with oxygen, and you get magnesium oxide. So this equation is actually not balanced. We'll see it now. Just 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. You can see now there are two atoms of magnesium, one atom of oxygen reacting together to give two molecules of magnesium oxide. So you can see since magnesium is being added to oxygen, we say magnesium has got oxidized in this reaction to magnesium oxide. Now we'll see another example in this case. So students, we were discussing about reduction reaction, an example for that. So suppose you have copper oxide reacting with carbon. So this is actually called cupric oxide. You have two different variations, one is cupric and the other one is cuprous. If you have Cu2O, that will become cuprous. This is cupric oxide reacting with carbon gives you copper plus carbon monoxide. So if you look at it here, oxygen is removed from the reactant side and hence this is called reduction reaction. So we saw that addition of oxygen is oxidation, removal of oxygen is reduction. If you see at the ionic level, this is a cation, this is an anion. So the valency being, the oxidation state being 2 plus and 2 minus respectively. So you can see they get neutralized because of the two opposite signs here. Okay. This is again the point which we were talking in the beginning. That is oxidation and reduction based on oxygen, based on whether oxygen is added or removed. Now going on to the next difference. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation and addition of hydrogen is reduction. We'll have an example here. Suppose you have hydrogen sulfide reacting with chlorine and you get on the product side 2HCl plus sulfur. So sulfur is actually displaced. So you can see here hydrogen from hydrogen sulfide gets removed from this reaction and you get HCl and S here. Okay. The hydrogen, it's actually removed from this side, but here it is in singular format. Here again it is oxidation, one hydrogen is removed, so hence it is oxidation of hydrogen sulfide. This is an example. The second case we like to see about reduction. So we said reduction is addition of hydrogen. So chlorine, simple example I am giving you, chlorine reacting with hydrogen to give 2HCl. So you can see this is actually hydrogen is being added here and hence it is reduction. Okay.